Real estate is on fire right now. What's up? It's Justin, Mr. CMB. I'm back with another video. Y'all like, y'all share, y'all comment on the video. Let's get right into this. Look, the real estate market is on fire and it's about to be on fire even more. And what do I mean? What I mean is that next year, it's almost 2024. We already know interest rates are going down. What does that mean? More people coming in, trying to buy. People that were sitting on the sidelines most of this year, waiting for interest rates to go down. And a lot of wholesalers looking for deals, couldn't find deals because they didn't know, they couldn't negotiate with sellers or they couldn't find off-market deals. This is the best time to get into real estate. One of the best times to get into real estate. Really, there's never not a time to, but you have to pivot and switch your strategy. And this is something that I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. And maybe you'll do it, maybe you won't, but it's on fire right now. One of the things we're doing right now, wholesale and auction properties, like we're bidding a lot more and aggressively. That's one thing we're doing. We're doing that a lot more aggressively now. Now we're doubling and triple downing on that channel. Number two, all multifamily next year. Next year, we're focused on all multifamily. Outside of this channel, it's all multifamily. Another strategy, three, is the properties that we acquire and we're going to actually flip and wholesale. We actually are going to list more properties. Yes, we're going to list more properties. So one, if you're an agent, feel free to hit me up. We do this nationwide. And also the other point of that is that more people are going to come in to buy houses. We can get good deals for people who want to flip and looking on the MLS to flip properties. So we want to be a resource for these guys. And in return, we'll make a shitload of money. And that is like our plan for next year. One of the things you got to think about is what you're playing. How can you get in on this? What are the trends you see? And I'm basically giving you the trend and giving you a specific strategy. As really, if you can find stuff, wholesale it or put it on the MLS with a good agent at a good price, it'll get going like that. That's what we're going to see. We're going to see that again come springtime. Mark my words. Now, you just have to figure out your strategy. What are you going to do? How are you going to maneuver through it? And also like what you should do. The problem is I don't want you to wait. You don't need to wait to start. You could start today. All right. So I'm just making this video is more of a message than anything else and in like an educational learning video. Because I really want you to get the point that you need to start. Start now. So Mr. CMB, I'm out. Peace. Hope you